Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my dream job. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. I live in a small city in Italy. I work as an English teacher in a primary school. I really like my job. I enjoy helping children learn new words, sing songs, and speak English. Every day, I teach children between 6 and 10 years old. They are fun, curious, and full of energy. They ask a lot of questions and they love to play games in class. I try to make my lessons fun and interesting. I use songs, pictures, flashcards, and simple books. I speak slowly and I use easy words. The children learn quickly. They smile, laugh, and feel happy. That makes me feel happy too. But I have a big dream for my future. I want to open a bilingual school. This means a school where children can learn two languages, Italian and English. I think this is very important. In the future, children will need to speak more than one language. English is a world language. It helps people find good jobs, travel, study, and meet new people. If children learn English from a young age, they can speak better and feel more confident. In my dream school, the children will learn many subjects in English and Italian. For example, we can do math in Italian and art in English. We can read books in both languages. We can sing songs and play games. I want the children to hear English every day, not just 1 hour a week. In this way, they will learn English in a natural way. The school will have small classes. Each class will have only 10 or 12 students. This way, the teacher can help every child. The teachers will be kind, patient, and friendly. They will speak English clearly and slowly. They will smile a lot and make children feel safe and happy. The classrooms will be colorful. There will be books, games, posters, and pictures on the walls. There will be soft pillows, quiet corners, and big tables to work together. I want the school to feel like home. A place where children can learn, laugh, and grow. In my school, I also want to work with families. Parents are important. They help children learn at home. I want to speak with parents and show them how to support their children. We can organize English days where families come to the school and do activities together. We can have games, food, music, and stories in English. It will be fun for everyone. Right now, my dream is only a plan. I don't have a school yet, but I am working on it. I am saving money every month. I am talking to other teachers and asking for advice. I read books and watch videos about bilingual education. I also look for buildings in my city. I need a good place for the school. It must be safe, quiet, and not too expensive. I know it will take time. Maybe 1 year, maybe 2, 3 years. But I don't want to stop. I believe in my dream. I believe that one day my school will open. I believe that children will come, learn, and be happy. I believe that families will trust us. I believe that it will work. Why do I have this dream? Because I want to do something good. I want to help children learn more. I want to give them a better future. I want them to feel strong and confident when they speak English. I want to make a difference, even a small one. I know it's not easy. There will be problems. There will be stress and hard work, but I am ready. I am 40 years old. I still have time. I still have energy and I still have passion. This is the most important thing. So, this is my big dream, to open a bilingual school, a place where children can learn, grow, and smile, a place full of love, words, and hope. Now, let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. What is my job now? I am an English teacher. What is my dream for the future? I want to open a bilingual school. Which 2 languages will the children learn in my school? They will learn Italian and English. Why do I think learning English is important? Because it helps children travel, study, and find good jobs. What do I want the school to feel like? I want the school to feel like home. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.